Did you know that the water left over after cooking rice holds a powerful secret that could change your life? That's right. What most people throw away actually contains miraculous properties that can transform your well-being, your finances, and even your spiritual energy. Today, we're about to reveal how something as simple as rice water can bring abundance and healing into your life. If you're tired of wasted potential and want to tap into a powerful yet simple Buddhist practice that can save you millions over time, keep watching. You won't want to miss this. But before we dive into the amazing benefits of rice water, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you're ensuring that more life-changing content like this comes your way. And comment below with the mantra, "I am open to the miracles around me," to begin activating positive energy in your life today. A tradition rooted in ancient wisdom. In Buddhist culture, nothing goes to waste. Everything around us has a purpose, even something as humble as rice water. For centuries, monks and practitioners of Buddhism have utilized rice water as an essential part of their daily rituals. It isn't just about practicality. There's a deeper spiritual significance to harnessing what many consider waste. By using rice water intentionally, you align yourself with the principle of non-waste, which enhances your connection to the universe and creates positive energy flow. Imagine if every day you were throwing away something that could significantly benefit your health, skin, and financial well-being. By simply using what you already have, you can open doors to prosperity that you've never imagined before. It sounds almost too good to be true, right? But this wisdom has stood the test of time for a reason, because it works. The first miraculous benefit of rice water lies in its ability to attract abundance. In many spiritual practices, water symbolizes flow, the flow of energy, opportunities, and prosperity. Rice water, enriched by the nourishing grains, represents abundance in its purest form. By keeping and using rice water in specific ways, you can create a physical reminder of abundance in your home. Start by placing a bowl of rice water in the wealth corner of your house. In traditional feng shui, which shares many principles with Buddhist practices, the wealth corner is typically found in the southeast part of your home. By doing this, you're inviting the energy of prosperity to flow freely, enhancing your financial stability. The intention behind this simple act is powerful. You're not just placing a bowl of water, you're symbolizing your openness to receive the blessings of the universe. Rice water isn't just a tool for manifesting wealth. It also has profound healing properties. Rich in vitamins and minerals, it has been used for centuries to improve physical health. In Buddhism, the concept of healing goes beyond the body. It's about creating harmony between the body, mind, and spirit. For your body, rice water is an excellent source of nutrients. It contains vitamin B, vitamin E, and minerals that are incredibly beneficial for your skin and hair. To use rice water for your skin, simply apply it as a natural toner. This practice not only improves your skin's texture and appearance, but also acts as a mindful ritual, a moment to care for yourself, bringing your awareness to the present. When you treat your body with love and care, you're aligning with the Buddhist principle of compassion, starting with yourself. Rice water can also be used to strengthen your hair, making it shinier and more resilient. Imagine saving hundreds, even thousands, on expensive hair treatments by using something you already have at home. The simplicity of this practice aligns with the Buddhist ideal of minimalism, finding richness in simplicity. Now, let's dive deeper into the spiritual side of rice water. In Buddhism, water is seen as a purifying element. It has the power to cleanse not only the physical body, but also the spiritual and emotional self. Rice water, because of its connection to nourishment and sustenance, carries with it the energy of growth and renewal. One powerful way to use rice water for spiritual cleansing is to add a bit of it to your bath. As you soak, visualize any negative energy being drawn out of your body and replaced with pure, nourishing energy. This ritual is not just about cleansing the physical body. It's a powerful act of letting go of the past, releasing attachments, and making space for new blessings. You can also sprinkle rice water at the entrance of your home. In Buddhist tradition, the entrance is a significant space. It represents the transition between the external world and your sacred personal space. By sprinkling rice water at the entrance, you're not only purifying the energy that enters your home, but also inviting blessings, abundance, and positivity to cross your threshold. You might be wondering, how does using rice water connect to the law of karma? In Buddhism, karma is the principle of cause and effect. What you put out into the universe comes back to you. By utilizing rice water instead of discarding it, you are respecting the resources given to you. This respect and intention send out positive energy into the universe, which in turn brings positive karmic returns. Think about it this way: every time you choose not to waste, you're making a statement. You're telling the universe that you value what you have, no matter how small. This attitude of gratitude and respect attracts more reasons to be grateful. It attracts abundance. The simple act of saving rice water becomes a spiritual practice, a daily reminder of the interconnectedness of all things, and an acknowledgement that even the simplest resources are gifts to be cherished. Have you ever thought of using rice water as a manifestation tool? One powerful method is to write down your intentions on a piece of paper and place it under a jar of rice water. Water has the ability to absorb energy, and by placing your intentions beneath the jar, you're infusing the water with your desires. Every day, take a moment to hold the jar, close your eyes, and visualize your intentions coming to life. Feel the emotions of achieving what you desire: joy, peace, abundance. By doing this, you're not only mentally focusing on your goals, but also spiritually charging the water with your energy. After a week, pour the rice water around a plant in your home. As the plant absorbs the water, imagine your intentions taking root and growing, just like the plant. This practice aligns with the Buddhist understanding that our thoughts and actions are deeply connected to the physical world. By infusing your intentions into rice water and then giving it to a living plant, you're creating a cycle of energy, nourishing life with your hopes and dreams, and allowing the universe to respond in kind. Another powerful use of rice water is in fostering harmony within your family. In Buddhism, the concept of interconnectedness is central. Our actions, words, and even thoughts affect not just ourselves, but everyone around us. If there has been tension or disharmony in your household, rice water can be used as a tool to restore peace. Add a small bowl of rice water to your living room or dining area, places where family members gather. This bowl symbolizes the intention of unity, nourishment, and peace. Each time you see it, take a moment to set a positive intention for your family. Visualize love and understanding flowing between each member, just as the nutrients from the rice flow into the water. This simple practice, done with intention, can have profound effects. It serves as a physical reminder to approach each other with compassion and understanding, promoting an atmosphere of mutual respect and love. When your home is filled with positive energy, every member of the family benefits, and you create an environment where prosperity, both material and emotional, can flourish. Beyond its spiritual and health benefits, rice water also offers practical, financial advantages. By utilizing rice water for various purposes around the home, such as a natural fertilizer for plants, a gentle cleanser for surfaces, or a beauty treatment, you reduce the need to purchase expensive products. This simple change can save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars every year. Consider how many products you buy that could be replaced by this natural, effective solution. Each time you choose rice water over a store-bought product, you're not only saving money, but also making an environmentally friendly choice. This aligns with the Buddhist principle of right livelihood, living in a way that causes the least harm to the planet and its resources. Using rice water is not just about the physical act. It's also about cultivating mindfulness. In Buddhism, mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in each moment, appreciating the simple things in life. When you choose to save rice water instead of discarding it, you're practicing mindfulness. You're reminding yourself to be aware of the value in everything, no matter how small. The next time you cook rice, take a moment to appreciate the process. As you rinse the grains, think about the journey they've taken, from the field to your home. When you save the water, set an intention for how you will use it, whether for health, abundance, or harmony. This simple act transforms cooking from a mundane chore into a spiritual practice, connecting you more deeply to the food you eat and the energy you bring into your home. Now that you know the miraculous properties of rice water, it's time to start using it in your life. Whether you're seeking abundance, healing, harmony, or financial savings, rice water can be a powerful ally on your journey. Remember, the key is not just to use rice water, but to do so with intention and awareness. When you infuse your actions with meaning, you create powerful energy that resonates throughout your life. Start incorporating these practices today and watch as the simple act of saving rice water transforms your well-being, finances, and spiritual energy. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this wisdom. Leave a comment below with your experiences using rice water or any other mindful practices you incorporate into your daily life. Let's build a community that grows together, learns together, and finds abundance in every moment. Thank you for watching, and may your journey with rice water be filled with healing, prosperity, and spiritual growth.